With the largest source of global advertiser demand, flexible ad controls, and an industry-leading mediation service, AdMob is the best platform to make money from apps and maximize your app revenue through app advertising. With AdMob, you can maximize your revenue through banner ads, interstitial ads, and reward-based video ads. Banner ads appear at the top or bottom of your app screen and can prompt users to install apps, visit websites, get directions, view products, or call a phone number. AdMob interstitials are full-page ads that appear in your app at natural breaks or transition points. AdMob's video ads bring rich brand experiences to your app, and the flexible nature of the format allows users to skip the video after 5 seconds. With the help of the smart AdMob framework, I will show you how to integrate all of these in just a second. But before we do that, I want to talk about one important thing, and that is analytics. When you link your AdMob app with the Google Analytics for Firebase, you will get an extra layer of analytics for your app. You will know when users click on your ad, purchased items in your app, and many more. AdMob works best with Firebase, so let's get started.